Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, Lecture for Sleep. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey to a secret cabin nestled deep within a serene forest. Leave the noise of the city behind and step into a world of tranquility, where the only sounds are the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft whisper of the wind. Imagine you're walking along a winding path cushioned by a carpet of fallen leaves. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy above, dappling the ground with warm golden light. The air here is crisp and clean, filled with the earthy scent of pine needles, damp soil, and wildflowers. Each breath you take feels refreshing, cleansing your lungs and calming your mind. The forest is alive with the subtle hum of nature, the distant call of a bird, the buzz of a bumblebee flitting from flower to flower, the quiet scurrying of a squirrel in the underbrush. As we walk deeper, the path begins to incline slightly. You can feel the gentle effort in your muscles, a pleasant warmth spreading through your body. It's not a strenuous climb, but just enough to make you feel present and connected to the physical world. The trees around us stand tall and ancient, their branches reaching towards the sky like a silent, protective embrace. You run your hand along the rough bark of an old oak tree, feeling its strength and stability, a grounding force in this peaceful wilderness. Ahead, through a clearing, you see it, the secret forest cabin. It's built from dark, weathered logs, with a charming stone chimney and a wide, welcoming porch. Smoke curls lazily from the chimney, a sign of warmth and comfort within. The cabin looks like it has been here for centuries, a natural part of the landscape. Wild roses with delicate pink blossoms climb up one side of the wall, and pots filled with colorful geraniums line the porch steps. It's a picture of perfect solitude and peace. Let's step onto the porch. The wooden planks creak softly under your feet, a friendly, familiar sound. There are 2 rocking chairs here, and you decide to sit in one for a moment. As you gently rock back and forth, you gaze out at the forest you've just walked through. From this vantage point, you can see a small, glistening stream meandering through the trees. The sound of the water, a soft, continuous gurgle, is incredibly soothing. It's a natural melody, a lullaby created by the earth itself. After a few moments of rest, we open the heavy wooden door and step inside. The air inside is warm and cozy, filled with the comforting smell of burning cedar wood and dried herbs. The main room is simple yet inviting. A fire crackles merrily in the large stone fireplace, casting a warm, flickering glow across the room. The flames dance and sway, their mesmerizing movement drawing you in, helping to quiet the chatter in your mind. In the center of the room is a large, comfortable-looking armchair, draped with a soft hand-knitted blanket. Next to it, a small wooden table holds a steaming mug of herbal tea and a single flickering candle. You can almost feel the warmth of the mug in your hands, the steam carrying the fragrant aroma of chamomile and lavender to your nose. These scents are known for their calming properties, helping to ease tension and prepare the body for rest. The walls of the cabin are lined with bookshelves, filled to the brim with old, well-loved books. Their spines are worn, their pages filled with stories and knowledge from another time. There's a sense of history and wisdom in this room, a feeling of being connected to all the peaceful souls who have sought refuge here before you. The soft ambient light from the fire and the candle makes the room feel like a safe, protected haven, completely shut off from the worries and pressures of the outside world. You walk over to the window and look out. Evening is beginning to fall over the forest. The sky is shifting from a bright blue to soft shades of orange, pink, and purple. The setting sun casts long, dramatic shadows through the trees, creating a beautiful, ever-changing masterpiece of light and color. As darkness deepens, the first stars begin to appear, twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. Here, far away from city lights, the night sky is incredibly clear and vast. Now, let's explore the sleeping loft. A sturdy wooden ladder leads up to a cozy space tucked under the eaves of the cabin. The ceiling is low, creating an even more intimate and secure feeling. In the center of the loft is a simple bed, but it looks incredibly inviting. It's piled high with soft pillows and a thick, fluffy down comforter. The sheets are made of crisp, cool cotton, and they smell faintly of fresh air and sunshine, as if they've just been brought in from a clothesline. A small round window in the loft looks out directly into the canopy of a large pine tree. You can see the intricate patterns of the needles and cones, and perhaps even a bird's nest tucked among the branches. Imagine lying in this bed, looking out at the tree, feeling as though you are sleeping in a treehouse, held securely in the arms of nature. The only light comes from the moon, a soft, silvery glow that filters through the window, illuminating the room just enough to see it. You decide it's time to prepare for sleep. You change into comfortable pajamas and climb into the bed. The mattress is firm yet soft, supporting your body perfectly. You pull the heavy comforter up to your chin, and an immediate sense of warmth and security envelops you. You feel completely safe, completely at ease. Your body begins to relax, sinking deeper and deeper into the mattress. Let's take a few deep, slow breaths. Inhale the clean forest air, and as you exhale, release all the tension from your day. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and the muscles in your face soften. With each breath, you feel heavier, more relaxed. The gentle sounds of the forest become your lullaby. Listen to the distant hoot of an owl, a timeless, reassuring sound of the night. Hear the soft chirping of crickets, a rhythmic, hypnotic chorus that lulls you further into a state of peace. Perhaps a gentle rain begins to fall. You can hear the soft patter of raindrops on the roof of the cabin, a steady, soothing rhythm. It's one of the most comforting sounds in the world, a sound that makes you feel even cozier and more secure in your warm bed. The rain is washing the forest clean, and in the same way, it's washing away your worries and anxieties. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, except right here in this moment, drifting peacefully toward sleep. Your mind begins to wander, not with worry, but with pleasant, sleepy thoughts. You might picture the stream flowing endlessly, carrying away any lingering stress. You might imagine yourself floating gently on its surface, supported and carefree, or perhaps you visualize the stars, vast and eternal, putting your own small concerns into perspective. The fire downstairs has burned down to glowing embers, still radiating a gentle warmth throughout the cabin. Your eyelids feel heavy, very heavy. It feels good to close them. In the darkness behind your eyes, you see only calm, peaceful images. The flickering fire, the dappled sunlight on the forest floor, the starry night sky. Your breathing is now slow and regular, in sync with the gentle rhythms of the night. Your body is completely still, completely relaxed. You are on the very edge of sleep, that wonderful, weightless space between waking and dreaming. You are safe, you are comfortable, you are at peace. The secret forest cabin has worked its magic, providing you with the perfect sanctuary for deep, restorative rest. Allow yourself to let go completely. Surrender to the feeling of sleepiness. Let the sounds of the forest guide you into a world of sweet, peaceful dreams. Dream of walking through sunlit woods, of discovering hidden waterfalls, and of sleeping soundly under a blanket of stars. As you drift off, know that this place of peace is always available to you. You can return to this secret cabin in your mind whenever you need to find tranquility and rest. It is your own private sanctuary. For now, simply rest. Let the deep, healing sleep wash over you, renewing your body and your mind. Good night and sleep well. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this experience relaxing, please consider subscribing for more sleep lectures and guided meditations. Sweet dreams.